press scan to ride, you scan the bicycle. Yep, it's 10 baht for 30 minutes. Okay, so this bicycle, what does it look like? You can adjust the seats, and there's a bell here. And also, oh, you have a place to put your phone. So I'm gonna just slide this over here. I have to confirm unlock. To right high. Okay, so now we're going to Icon Siam. So they're doing some city work here where they are taking apart the sidewalks. So we're going to this road here called Soi Uthai. So we'll see if we can get there within 30 minutes. Then that would cost us just 10 baht. I think that is a good deal. Like, you don't have to buy your own bike. So the brakes for the back wheel is on your right hand side. So we usually use the back wheel brakes. The front one is for like emergency. And sometimes if you're going very fast and you brake on the front wheel, you can like do a somersault. So you're right to the end of the road. You turn left, and in front of you is the park. Somdet. Yeah, park. It's very nice. And now we go in here. So, there's a motorcycle behind me. So you can go straight or you can turn left. It will bring you to the Tha DinDaeng road. I'm gonna turn here because the road is more scenic. You can ride along the riverside. So like recently there's a new park that is built at the end of the road here. Kittens. So normally I will take my own bike, but today I want to try out this Anywheel because I saw it on many other channels. And I think it's a good solution for this time. So here we are now at the riverside. And this road isn't great. I think the riverside pathway, sometimes they sink because it's always being attacked by water. So there's a vacant lot here if you're interested. For this pathway, you have to carry your bike down a couple of steps. And you will exit through that doorway. There's a vegan restaurant in there. You can see. It's called Kepler, something like that. Kepler. Ta-da! It's a cafe, and if you're into sewing, they have a lot of fabric. Like on the second floor, there's like a fabric library. It's quite interesting. I think many designers come here to check out the fabric. And now when you get out, this is the Tha DinDaeng road, and on my left is the pier. So you can cross to Songwat, Ratchawong area. We're right along the roads a bit. What's the time? 7 minutes. I think he's trying to find a parking space. He's driving so slow. So there's no gear on this bike, but I've tried it when I was in Lat Krabang, right? And I went up a very tall bridge, and I did okay. Wasn't that? It wasn't as much effort as I thought I could. Now you can go straight. Just go straight. Going to enter a temple, and they've just redid this area into a little park. You hear the birds chirping. Okay, so we are exiting the temple. Cyclists here, they use temple routes pretty often because they usually have several exits. You can enter, like north, and you can exit west. It's very convenient, and usually there are not much cars. So now I'm at Chiang Mai, where LLong is. So I'm going to show you LLong and what's happening to it. I think they sold it, and they're in the process of building a hotel. This place is very beautiful, very old. So what I heard is that they're not going to knock down everything. They're going to keep some part of LLong. They're going to build the Ritz-Carlton Hotel. Okay, so now let's move on. So if I go straight, I will be out at the main road. That's the Somdet Chaophraya road. But we're going to take this bypass right over here. So they drew bicycle lanes in here, so you know that you can go in. And it's actually used by the motorcyclists. So you see a lot of these corner mirrors, the round mirrors. So if you're in a pathway and you're lost, and you see this mirror and then set, you're probably in the right place. So I'm going to walk It's very steep here. Yep. And this is what they call a Suan Sarn Park. You see it? There's somebody resting here. And we're actually about to enter another temple. Ta-da! Just checking the time. $13.5. Oh, nice tree. เป็นไรเปล่า He fell off his bike. And this is the Taksin hospital. I'm going straight into the little lane because I don't want to ride out in the road. I think they're making pad kapao. Right now we're at Thong Sarn. I don't know if you can see it, but Icon Siam is right in front of us. Let's do the long way. So you can ride to the intersection and cross the road, or you can do a long U-turn. Actually, I'm going to do a short U-turn. Sorry. Nice tree, but a lot of leaves. So now it says private property, so it belongs to somebody, not the government. And the sign says they don't let people riding anything crossing this path. You have to get on your, you have to get on, so you have to get off your bicycle and push. So actually, when the place was still in business, you can go out to the riverside through this place, but they are closed down already. So now we are heading to the pier. There used to be a clothing market, food market here, but I think they're going to turn into something else because it's right next to the Millennium Icon Siam, right? It's going to make good money. So we're right to the end of the road, and that will be the Thong Sarn Pier. Let's see if I can pass through here. Jump off. Yeah. Oh, this bike is heavy. So this pier opens from 6 to 11 p.m. It closed pretty late, don't you think? And you can get your bicycle across on these on these ferries. Let me show you what the ferry look like. Okay, we just crossed over to the other side. And now we're behind Millennium Hotel. And we're going straight towards Icon Siam. So too bad you can't pop right into the pier side of Icon Siam. You still have to go back out to the main road. Okay. I think this scares me. It's too deep. Oh no, did you see that? Hey, go here. You see it here? You see it? It's swinging. So this part of the road is a bit bumpy. Got it. Got it. Lên นะคะ Get my king. So now this is the way down. And that's Icon Siam right on our left. Okay, so the station is right under the stairs. Which is very convenient because I can cross over to ICS. There's a Lotus there, or sometimes I go there shopping. There you go. So how to park? You just type block device. Let me get my bag. Okay, so you have a 10-minute grace period if you just want to park and come back and get your bicycle, the same one that you lost, or you can just scan to park. And my trip has ended. 25 minutes, 10 baht.